Hello, in this video we are going to take a look at validation. So just some basic form validation. So let's go to our HTML. Let's create a form for starters. So form, and in here we'll have, what should we have? Let's have an input in here. I'm actually just going to keep it simple. I have one input. If you understand what we do with this one, you'll be all good to go. Type equals, let's say, text. Assign a name to it as well. Put the name as username. And that is it. So if we run that, see what we get. So we get this little input right here. That's pretty darn cool. So what I'm going to do, we can have a button in there. I'm actually going to have a button outside. I'm going to go radical. I'll have a div which will act as a button. I'm going to say button. I'm going to say click me instead. Click me. Click me. And I'm going to have an ID. Well, actually, I'm just going to say on click. Not on lick. We're not licking anything. I'll move it up. On click validation func. And we'll put that we'll just put that here. Let's keep it simple. We'll say function. As usual, let's do a console log, make sure it is working. When we click it, I'll leave it as broken. Click me. Okay, that's cool. Now, here, what we're going to do is we are going to say if document dot, and from here we are going to essentially access some elements, and we can literally just do dot name, username dot value, and I'll actually just print it. First I'll just do a console log as usual. Console.log. I'll comment this out for now. Reload, click me. Cannot read value of undefined. You could, okay. Username is not valid. Okay. And why is that? Okay, so for the form, I need to provide a name as well. And this form I'll say epic form. Then you say document dot, so get the epic form, then you get an element from it. Okay, there's nothing in there. If I say hello, we get hello. So that's how you get it. And what we're going to do is we'll keep this printout in there. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. And actually, what we're going to do first is create a variable var1 equals this. And everywhere that we need it, we can just use this instead. It'll be a lot easier. So here we'll have it, and in here, and we'll check if it's empty. Then we'll say, you've been very naughty. So if it's, there's nothing in it, then we are gonna say console.log it is empty. It is empty, but if I put something in here, we don't get that. We'll also do another check, so else if var1, and let's say if we want a minimum length of 10, so dot length is less than 10, we'll say console.log length should be at least 10, and then else it's all good. Else console.log. Fantastic. Save it. If I reload, before I click it, we get it is empty. So if I just type in HELLO, that's 5 characters, we get length should be at least 10. And let's say WORLD, that's 10 now. Fantastic. But if I remove the D, it's 9, length should be at least 10. So that is validation. We can validate the contents of our page. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next JavaScript video.